Okay, I am going to show you how to create an Edmodo account. So the first thing that you want to do is go to edmodo.com. You'll notice up here that I've already gone there. And you'll come to this page. You're going to click on I'm a student. And I will have given you a group code, and that is what you will put here. You will create a username, and I want you to use your first initial and last name, or your first name and your last initial. Now, for instance, if you say J. Smith and you go to create it, more than likely it's going to be taken. So what I suggest at that point is that you add a particular number it could be your birth date, let's say 12/98. Okay, and then more than likely that'll be, available. I have already created an account. The password is yours, but make sure that you write down the password somewhere so that you don't forget it. I will give you an index card when you get to class, and you can write down your information on there, and then I'll just keep it in a box, and then that way if you forget it, we'll have access to that. Email is optional, but this is a great way to get notifications of homework assignments that I might add, or just reminders of quizzes coming up. And then your first name and your last name. But like I said, I've already created an account for myself, so I'm going to go ahead and log in. Okay, when you get to your home page, you will notice that you have looks something like this. Yours will actually be a blank picture. I've already kind of played with this a little bit, kind of like Facebook. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is go to Accounts and Settings, and you'll get to this, and you will, again, you'll see this blank thing, and you can go ahead and choose a photo to use, or you can actually choose one from the computer, and you just find the photo on your computer and you can upload it. That's entirely up to you. If you decide that you want to go ahead and add an email, you can put that right here. What I do want you to do is sign up for notifications, and if you put in an email, you'll have a choice between email notification and text messaging. Now, I chose text messaging, and then that way, when you send me a message on Edmodo, I will get a notification to my phone that there is a message. So, or if you turn in a homework assignment through Edmodo, I will get a notification that you turned it in. But basically what you do is you type in your number here, and you choose your phone provider, click on the types of notifications that, the types of notifications that you want. I have all of mine checked, and then you say Save Notifications. What happens is this comes up and it says verify your phone, and they will send a text message to your phone with a 6-digit activation code, and you will type that in here and say activate. Now, I'm not going to do that because this particular phone number is already registered to another Edmodo account, and I don't want to do that. So once you get done with that, then you can say save personal information, go ahead and click on your profile. And what you will want to do is you can search for a quote. Maybe it is about hard work, and you find one that you like. You can decide what kind of learner you are, and are you hands-on, are you a listening, are you a visually. I'm a hands-on kind of person. And then I want you to select your career goal. If you're into sports, you can click on that, and it has different different things here, and you can kind of explore. I'm a teacher, so it's under helping, and then you would click on teacher, and then that comes up. So that's the extent of what I want you to do this evening. You can go ahead and play with that, and experiment with it, and then tomorrow evening you will have a different assignment, and I'll show you how to use your library and what they call the backpack. So go ahead and play with it.